Hi, this is Monty with another can-do moment. What I've gotten is some new siding on my house. This is the James Hardie fiberboard. Unlike the previous siding I had this hose reel mounted to the house, and I had some additional holes where AT&T went through and some other places, and I want to reduce the number of holes in the siding to reduce the chance of water intrusion destroying the house from the inside. So I've installed a 4x4 board here in concrete, reinforced it pretty good. Also decided to add a basket on top of this. Since I had this to help brace this and make it a little more solid, I said, hey, I can put a basket on top, and I can put nozzles and extensions, little things like that in here, keep them in one place where I can find them. And I've put my Eley hose reel on here. I really like these Eley hose reels. This one here is over 11 years old. Even at 11 years old, there's just a minor drip from it. Of course, the way things go for me, I figure, hey, I'm going to take that apart, lube the O-ring, I'm going to fix it. Well, that didn't work. It even got worse. But the good thing about a Eley hose reel is that you can go online, and even on an old one like this, they've got parts for you to replace it. You don't have to buy a new hose reel. So I bought the necessary part to fix the leak, and it's as good as new now, 11 years old and doing great. I really like this hose reel. You know, one thing about it though is it's spelled E-L-E-Y, and I don't know, do you pronounce it Eley or do you pronounce it Eley? I went to their website, I watched their videos, which are great videos, but none of them that I've watched even said the name of the product. They just said, hey, our hose reel's great, and it is. I like it, parts are available. I think it's a fantastic hose reel. That's it.